Hello guys. Welcome to another live stream. But this is something that I've just finished working on, kind of. Just basically, as you can see right here, a 0.01 version of this. This is a game that I've worked on for pretty much all day today. Uh, as you can tell, this might not be the main menu. I mean, who knows? But as you can tell by the title, multiplayer Yortusin minigame battle mode. So the idea behind this, remember the boss battle thing from TNAY the Horde? I kind of revived that as and just completely salt, butter, and peppered it. Salted, buttered, and peppered it. And just done and so to the idea. Basically what it will be and the full game will be pretty much you can have multiple players using you, except you'll have to keep it on one computer. That's the only downside that I know that there will be. But this game I feel will so far has the most potential out of every game that I've made. I mean, I've worked on it all day just to get this part done. Just these two things. I mean, as you guys can tell, I kind of just made sure that there's a little bit for you guys to look out. There won't be an extras mode because this isn't a FNaF game. It won't be a FNaF fan game. It does have me in it though, and a lot of reused frames and stuff from those nights at Yortisons and stuff like that. I mean, Project Yortison. Those two are both referencing the same exact thing. But I might release this tonight. Only if this live stream gets an insane amount of likes and support. Pretty much, maybe the next update for sure will be attempting to get 2 players and obstacle. Pretty much there'll be options. Well, kind of. You can either select, like, 1 player without, or 2 players without any obstacles. Pretty much meaning just things that won't be able to kill you both. Really nothing except items. But with obstacles, it becomes a lot more chaotic. But you probably won't be able to select your character. I mean, the character that you go into, the character that player 1 is always going to be, it will be Yortusin. Who player 2 will always be? Cross Symphony. It's a debate over player 3 and player 4 as it stands, over who be's who. It'll definitely be Rick and Matt or Mask Dude or something like that. But Rick's gonna be in there somewhere. Cause why wouldn't he? He's been kind of my main channel mascot, just icon thing. Yeah. So he deserves a bit of my recognition as a developer, as he being an actual character. So without any further ado, well, wait, gotta explain what solo mode will be. It'll pretty much be like a normal battle game. It'll be a story mode of sorts. Instructions, there's no need to inter, to instruct you guys on instructions. Because really what it'll be is just rules and stuff like that and explanations for what you're supposed to do. I might work on that, but let's dive. But without any further ado, let's dive right in. So first thing we have here is basically the physics test. Basically just a free room, just a free roam room for you guys to learn basically what 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 the controls are and the physics that you're going to be playing with are like, because it can be confusing at sometimes that you're not just walking up to each other. No, this isn't your average battle game. This is like if Undertale and Bouncy Balls came into play and you were both attacking each other on the same screen. I mean, it's a pretty cool concept, and I was able to just work on this in a matter of a day. I don't think he's slowing down. So this won't be as much of a clicker game. I mean, I know that when you try pressing two keys, it doesn't exactly respond, but that's because, well, I haven't had time to really get that implemented. It might be a feature if enough people are annoyed by the fact that some of the keys don't respond and you'd like to go in between directions. Then I'll do it. Maybe, but already using the S key kind of randomizes where you're headed. So let's press B, which pretty much gets us out of that. Best of all, this is one where we can actually take a break and check the chat. Isn't that neat about this game? Plus the fact that you'll be able to pause the application. I mean, guys, were this all springing from just one idea, from just one original idea that I had, I'd have to say this is pretty downright good. This is downright awesome. There's really nothing else to be said about this idea. I mean, it's got potential to be a good FNaF. Well, not exactly a a, a good FNaF. I mean, it won't be a FNaF. It's gonna be an actual game. I mean, for that to be a thing, I'm kind of hyped for it. I'm hyped to work on it. I mean, it's gonna be absolutely wonderful. It's gonna be one. I kind of like. I kind of like where this idea is headed. I mean, it's something that I want you guys to have a different game. I mean, I want to show you guys that I'm not all about the FNAFs. I mean, can you believe that the Horde kind of just sprung from just entirely one mechanic out of an entirely different game, and now we're getting this from that specific Horde game, which this is kind of like a teaser game, heavy teaser game at this point. So that's something. So that's something to think about. I mean, I might create the game page, but then again, guys. So after this comes an arcade mode, essentially. Pretty much meaning that It's like an endless mode. Jeez, it thinks that I'm playing FNaF. No, this isn't FNaF. This is an actual Yortusin game. This is an actual game. It's not horror. It's not supposed to be scary. I mean, it might just feel a little bit off at times, but that would be because I would be just trying to create a kind of like a good atmosphere for the game. I mean, the fact that I'm actually now working on a game. But enough blabbering, let's get into the arcade mode. So how long can you last? We're gonna see if I can get 1 star. When that score over there, so pretty much we have 5 life. Let's try not to get hit. Oh, that's ah ah I'm getting no scoped. So this is a hard game. Oh, dead that quickly. This is harder. I wanted it. Okay, and I have to beat 25 now. So how much can you guys get? There's actually an end to this arcade mode. It's just that it's gonna take you guys a while. Quit! Quit it! I'm dead. I'm dead. Great. Wonderful. Amazing. Fantastic. Now yep. You can't even get 1 star. This is so difficult. Okay then. So pretty much we're trying. So this is basically just more or less like a teaser test to show you guys kind of more or less what to expect with a lot of the physics and stuff of this game. So pretty much, yes, you can call this a space battle of sorts. Oh, he's coming for that butt. Oh, everything's passing through each other. Don't even get hit. Don't get cocky. Oh, oh, I might. Oh, darn it. Oh, oh, 50 seconds. 1 star. No, no, you can't. No, get away from there. Get away from me, you monsters. You monstrous obstacles. Uh, uh. Come on, I can live for a little while longer. Okay, then take me. Take me now. I'm good at this game, but here we go. So pretty much, guys, that's all the time I have for this. Because as usual, life is being a big old bag of ducks. Of frickin' ducks. And I have to go do stuff now. Ugh, I hate it when I'm just in the middle of doing things like this. And I'm always just, screw you! You can be cut off early! But then again, guys, if you want to see me try to actually beat this game and give it my all, hit me up in the comments below. I'm planning on this game actually being worked on. I mean, maybe next Saturday I'll have the next update finished. I mean, this is gonna be a slow and steady game with new stuff being added on. I'll try getting new stuff added at a regular basis, but it's just gonna be one thing added at a time. and it took the least, and it always takes the least amount of time for all of the one-player stuff, or around like a good 2/3 of it. But solo mode is still, I might save that for last. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, if you want to see more of Yortusin multiplayer battle simulator, uh, like, share, comment, subscribe, notifications to ensure that you stay up to date, and bye.